Welcome student. We are now studying the nomenclature of alcohols from topic alcohols, phenols and ethers. Now first of all see structure formula. Of that we will write the common name and then IUPAC name. Now see I have written in bracket from alkane E replaced by OL. Now see first example, that is CH3OH. So here methyl group is there. So methyl group attached to the functional group OH. So the common name becomes methyl alcohol. The alkane is methane. So from that E replaced by the oil, the name becomes the methanol. Now second example, CH3CH2OH. So 2 carbon atoms are there, 5 hydrogen atoms. We collect together C2H5OH. Also we can write like that. So compound common name of that formula becomes ethyl alcohol. So 2 carbon atoms are there. So alkane name, that is a ethane. So E replaced by the oil. So the name IUPAC name of that compound becomes the ethanol. Now third compound, CH3-CH2CH2OH. Now see here, functional group OH attached to the primary carbon atom. The long chain of the 3 carbon atoms. So the prefix used N. So it shows that the functional group attached to the primary carbon atom. So the name of common name becomes N-propyl alcohol. In IUPAC name, OH group attached to the first carbon atom. So we have to mention here the 1. So locant number becomes 1 propanol. Next, that is CH3CH, to that carbon atom OH is attached and then CH3. So long chain of the 3 carbon atoms. So that is a propyl. So but functional group attached to the secondary carbon atom. So prefix used, that is a isopropyl alcohol. So in IUPAC name we have to say the numbering. So 1, 2, 3, or from right side it will also become 1, 2, 3. So OH group attached to the second carbon atom. So the name of the compound become 2-propanol. Next, that is a tertiary carbon atom is there because that carbon atom attached to another 3 carbon atoms. So OH group attached to the tertiary carbon atom. So prefix used, that is a T, or we can also write the tert. So T-butyl alcohol, 4 carbon atoms are there. So T-butyl alcohol. Now in IUPAC name we have to see the long chain. Now you can see the long chain in such a way, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, anyhow. But we have taken as a straight line. So OH group attached to the second carbon atom and also CH3, that is a methyl group attached to the second carbon atom. So IUPAC name becomes 2-methyl-2-propanol. Now see the next here, double bond also there and functional group also there. So while writing the name of that compound, we have to first see that the less number get to the double bond. But here CH3 CH double bond CH-CH2OH. So that is a crotonyl alcohol is there. But now see the IUPAC name numbering from right side. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Functional group OH attached to the first carbon atom and double bond starting from the second carbon atom. So long chain of the 4 carbon atom. So it becomes but. So second carbon atom to which double bond is starting. So 2En for double bond dash. OH group attached to the first carbon atom. So 1 OL. Next example, we have seen the 2 hydroxy groups attached to the in this compound. So first OH group attached to the first carbon atom, second OH group attached to the second carbon atom. So if 2 or more OH group attached, then that is called the glycol. So 2 carbon atoms are there. So that is ethylene alcohol. glycol, ethylene glycol. So long chain of 2 carbon atoms. But now see here, in these all compounds we have replaced the E by OL. But now when 2 or more OH group attached there, E must be there. So full name of the alkane, then locane numbers, then how many groups are attached, that is prefix we have to use, and then OL. So the name of compound becomes ethane dash 1 2 times, so diol. Now see the next. 3 OH group attached to the 3 carbon atom. Long chain of the 3 carbon atoms. So alkyl group, that is propylene glycol. So OH group attached to the first, second, third carbon atom. So the name of the big compound becomes propane dash 1 2 3. 3 OH groups are there. So tri-OL. Next, CH3, CH2, 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 OH. OH group attached to the first carbon atom. Long chain of the 4 carbon atoms. So prefix, that is N-butyl alcohol, and the IUPAC name becomes 1-butanol.